Question number 30. 100 divided by 4 parenthesis 2 plus 3. Try to solve by all this very tricky math question and comment your answer whatever it will be. I will give a shout out here. These are documenters list. Whatever answer will be, I will give a shout out here. So here 100 divided by 4 parenthesis 2 plus 3. We will use here the PEMDAS to solve this math. So first, as we know, according to PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, first preference given to parenthesis. So we will operate this parenthesis part first. 2 plus 3 which equals to 5. So we will rewrite over here 100 divided by 4 times 5. Now 100 divided by 4 times 5 which equals to 20, and 100 divided by 20, our answer is 5. This is the right answer. You think this is the right answer? No. A big no. Okay. So how to solve this? We will solve from here. 100 divided by 4 times 5. So here two operations are there, division and multiplication, and as we know both operations have the same priority, and in that case we have to solve from left to right. So first we will operate this division. After that we will operate this multiplication operation. Okay. So first 100 divided by 4. You will get answer what? 25. Okay. Now we will write again here 5 and 25 times 5 which equals to 125. So here right answer is 125. And if you are seniors, then you must check out our best product link in the description. Like this video and subscribe channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.